We're here at the 6100 Horton Street Garage here in Emeryville, California. KONE EcoDisc.
I think they added a voice interface.
It's just mirrors. It looks like someone took a lighter and like, or is that just the way the metal looks? Like especially the door. Look, can't tell.
What kind of speaker do they use for that voice?
I don't know. It's nice though.
Crystal clear.
Sometimes they're clear, and sometimes you can barely make out what they're saying.
Probably close.
First floor.
First floor.
Going up.
Going up.
Here, hit the button. Oh, very nice view. Look at this. This fire thing fell off. Hit the down button. And there is the EcoDisc. For the other one. Basic KONE cab. Simple but nice. Still has the original certificate from when they were put in. I like KONEs.
They've really upped their game.